Checking if type equals list in Python. I can't figure out what's wrong with my code. The output is but the if statement never triggers. Can anyone spot my error here?
You should try using IceInstance. In your case. To elaborate. The difference between IceInstance and type, though both seems to do the same job, is that IceInstance checks for subclasses in addition, while type doesn't. Your issue is that you have redefined list as a variable previously in your code. This means that when you do type tmpdit key equals list, if will return false because they aren't equal. That being said, you should instead use IceInstance tmpdit key list when testing the type of something. This won't avoid the problem of overwriting list, but is a more Pythonic way of checking the type.
This seems to work for me.
Python 3.7.7